Welcome to my channel. Today we will guess Italian brain rot animal squid game. 20 questions, 8 seconds to find the answer for each correct answer. You will get 1 point. If you are ready, let's get started. Can you guess this memir?
Tung Tung Sahur. Tung Tung Sahur.
Yes, it's number 13.
Tung Tung Sahur. Tung Tung Sahur.
Do you know this meme?
Ballerina cappuccina. Ballerina cappuccina.
Yes, it's Ballerina.
Ballerina cappuccina. Ballerina cappuccina.
Can you guess which animal here?
Tra la le do tra la le do tra la la.
It's Trallero if you guessed correctly. Subscribe and like this video.
Tra la le do tra la le do tra la la.
Would you rather Tung Tung Sahur
Tung Sahur. Tung Sahur.
or Ballerina cappuccino?
Ballerina cappuccina. Ballerina cappuccina.
Let me know your answer in the comment below. Guess the meme.
Din 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 dun. Ma din 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 dun.
Correct, it's ding ding don.
Din 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 dun. Ma din 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 dun.
Do you know this meme?
Puttino assassino assassino.
Correct.
Puttino assassino assassino.
Listen carefully.
Espresso una signora, espresso una signora.
Good job, it's espresso.
Espresso una signora, espresso una signora.
Would you rather espresso
Ballerina cappuccina. Ballerina cappuccina.
or Ballerina cappuccino?
Ballerina cappuccina. Ballerina cappuccina.
Let me know your answer in the comments below. Can you guess this meme correct?
Lirililarila, lirililarila.
Well done, it's La Rila.
Lirililarila, lirililarila.
Can you guess this meme?
Patapim. Patapim.
It's Berber Pati Pim.
Patapim. Patapim.
What meme is this?
Coco panto. Belle fanto.
Yes, it's Coco Fanto Elefanto.
Coco panto. Belle fanto.
Can you guess this meme correct?
Partito crocodilo.
Well done, it's Bombardino.
Partito crocodilo.
Find the odd one out. Question 14.
Chimpanzini bananini wa wa wa.
Well done, it's number 9.
Chimpanzini, bananini, wa, wa, wa.
Question 15.
Trippi troppi, troppa trippa, trippi troppi.
Good job, it's number 5.
Trippi troppi, troppa trippa, trippi troppi.
Question 16.
Ta sahur. Ta sahur.
Well done, it's number 13.
Ta sahur. Ta sahur.
Can you guess this meme correct?
Burrito, pantito, burrito, gangster burrito.
Correct.
Burrito, pantito, burrito, gangster burrito.
What meme is this?
Rangutini, ananasini.
Well done, it's number 3.
Rangutini, ananasini.
Can you guess this meme correct?
La vaca Saturno, Saturnita.
Well done, it's number 14.
La vaca Saturno, Saturnita.
Would you rather burrito
Burrito, pantito, burrito, gangster burrito.
or bombardino?
Bombardino, crocodilo.
Let me know your answer in the comment below.